Hi guys, so today we are opening up the FabFitFun Box for fall. So I'm getting ready for fall. I just shared some decorating I did with you guys. It's still 100 degrees outside. I'm wearing a t-shirt. I wish I was in a flannel, maybe a hat. That's just not me. I'm not super fancy. But I did want to open up this FabFitFun Fall box with you guys. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video, and I'm going to show you guys everything I received. So full disclaimer, they sent me this box to review and I am new to FabFitFun. It is a lifestyle membership box, and you guys know I'm all about the seasons and home decor. Well, they let you customize your options, and they've included some home decor items this time around. So I'm really excited about that. And you guys know I love seasonal decorating, so to have a seasonal box, I'm really excited. The cost of the box is $49.99, and if you're new to FabFitFun, you can get $10 off of your first box. I'll have all of that information in the description for you guys. And what I found out is that the contents of the box far outweigh the cost of the box. So the first item I am excited to share with you guys is this necklace and earrings. Now, I'm not a big jewelry girl. I think this is gorgeous, and I love the fact that they let you customize your box. So even though I'm not a jewelry girl, today is my daughter's birthday. Rose gold is her favorite, and this is by Coach. So I love the fact that I have a beautiful gift for her. It's something she's going to love, and the cost of this outweighs the entire cost of the box. So if you're like me, you don't like surprises, let me know actually down below in the comments. Do you like surprises or not? Because what I liked about this box is that you had some choices to make. You can also leave it up to them and they can surprise you and make all the choices for you. But for me, if I'm going to be investing in a subscription box, I want to have some say about it, especially since I'm so particular. I don't really wear a lot of jewelry. I have very sensitive skin, and you guys know I love home decor. So the second item I'm most excited about is the blanket by Arhaus. Now, in all honesty, I'm sweating right now because it is hot and it is humid. If you're new to my channel, we just moved from California to Texas. So getting used to Texas weather and a new house. So I'm doing some decorating, and I'm obsessed with the color green right now, obviously. And we have some areas in our home that I want to paint. When I saw this blanket, I literally thought I can take that with me to the paint store and get that color. It is bright enough and dark enough and rich enough. I love a lightweight waffle weave like this. I have MS. I take lots of little naps during the day, and this is just enough of a throw for taking a little nap. It's lightweight, won't get you super hot. Where I'm going to use it is in our guest room, and I'll be sharing that all with you guys in decorating videos here to come. In our guest room, we used all of our master bedroom decor from our house in California, and so there's a lot of black and white in there, and I think this green is going to make it pop. I love this color, and this blanket was a lot more than the total investment in the box. It is by Arhaus, and I love it. I'm really excited to use the next couple products in our guest bath. Just put them in there, and they are full-size products, and they're a lot higher end than maybe what I use regularly. So the first one is a renewing body cleanser, and it is by KORRES. Has a very pretty packaging. I think that'll look gorgeous on a shelf. It's a really nice scent. I think it could work for men or women. It's just a really nice thing to put in a guest bath. And the next one is a bath gel. This one is by Islands of Italy. I forget what this one smells like. This smells like something I would use. It's actually maybe going to end up in my master bath. So it's a really lightweight, clean, almost floral scent. So I've never tried either of these products. This one, I think I'm actually gonna end up keeping for myself. Now, the kids just started back to school. We're in a new state and a new home with a new school. They do offer lunch at the school, and so the kids have been taking advantage of that. But my daughter can be a little bit of a picky eater, and so she takes things to school with her, and I am going to give her this. Now, it's just a reusable lunch bag. It's probably big enough for a sandwich and fruit or chips. Not a whole lot is going to fit in here. It does have a resealable band at the top here. She's gonna love this color, by the way. Things like this I usually like to pick up when I can find them for other uses. Now you could use this for lunch, and I'm sure that my daughter will take advantage of it. But things like that I think are great to have in a beach bag, because you can put your phone, your keys, things that you don't necessarily want to get sandy or wet, and that will just add a layer of protection. So just another idea if you don't use a lunch bag on the regular. Now, with going back to school, I'm drinking a lot more coffee. I am a coffee lover. This is an item that I chose. It is by Stojo, and it's actually a collapsible coffee mug. Actually, I guess it's just for beverages. You could use whatever you want in it. I'll probably be using this for coffee. I think this is a great option to have on hand for maybe a teacher's gift. So it does have this little sleeve. You can fit that in a purse easily. I love this color. And it came with 4 reusable straws. So fall's here, we're gonna be doing some entertaining over the holidays, and I like to have things like this around to spark conversation. We're meeting a lot of new people, being new to the area. So I did choose this trivia game. So it is a food and drink after dinner trivia game. I think things like this look great on a coffee table, and they're great to just have around. So let's just pull out one and see what question we get. It says it has 120 cards in it. Approximately how many turkeys are consumed each year during Thanksgiving? 1, 20, or 46 million? The answer is 46 million. That's a lot of turkey. Now I would say this is my favorite item, but I think the blanket is my favorite, although the necklace is going to be my daughter's favorite. It is by the brand Two Bandits. It is a storage tray that folds out like that. I love the little wooden detail on the handle. So it does have felt on the inside that you can pop out if you just want it to be plain. The felt would be really nice if you use this as a trinket or a jewelry tray. You could definitely use this in the bathroom as a catch-all for bobby pins and things like that. Now, true story, I lost an SD card today. I'm very sad about it. It had some great footage on it. So I did think about having this at my desk to just keep little things that I need for my camera in it, but I know that I've decided to keep it on my bedside table. I wear earplugs when I sleep. I need chapstick before I go to bed. I'm kind of a high maintenance sleeper, so this is going on my bedside table, and I think it's going to make it look a lot less jumbled. So I hope you guys enjoyed opening up my FabFitFun Fall box with me. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys back very soon.